So we're going to go ahead and go through the process of using the 3D printer. We'll start with Tinkercad, how to create a file, how to save a file, and then how to put it into the Inventor 2 software. First, you need to log on to Tinkercad. You need an account. The high school has several accounts. Once you're in Tinkercad, you can start to tinker. We're going to create a new design. There's tutorials within Tinkercad, but for today we'll just draw a box over. We'll grab a cylinder. We'll export. We're going to X them out as an STL file. Notice it down below. I can show it in the folder, and there's my object. Again, that was export. Everything that's in there, an STL file. And you need to know that it's in the Tech Help downloads because I'm logged on as Tech Help. I can close Tinkercad out. Now we're going to go ahead and load that file into Flash Print. You need to double click it. I go File, load the file type. You need to find where your file is. We have it on this PC in our downloads, and we call it, and then it comes on your deck. Once you're on the deck, you can scale it. You can do several things with it, move it around. But basically we're going to go into and we're going to print it. And this will get it to where we can go onto a USB drive to print it directly to the machine. We hit print. I'm going to go down and look at my more options, make sure everything looks okay in here. I say okay. It saves it to my download file. I'm going to call it test 2. Okay. It will slice it into G code. And if I hit print now, I could print across to my USB if I connected it, but we're going to go ahead and load it onto our flash drive. Once I have it exported out as a G-code file, I can close out my flash print, grab a USB drive, insert it. I like to go to File Manager. It shows me my recent files right here where it says test2.gx. I can simply copy that file, or I could go into my downloads and find it right there also. Copy it. I like to go to this PC, find my USB drive, and I'm going to paste. And I always like to safely eject my USB drive. Take the USB drive. You'll find along the side of the Inventor 2. Then we go up to the control panel. We're going to hit build. We're going to go for a USB stick. I have a CAT GX on here. I could also go to my test. But when I select my CAT, I can hit build. It'll cop the file and it'll begin to print. I'm not going to print this because it's going to take me 11 minutes. I'm going to abort. Okay. And we're ready to go. Thank you. That should be a simple way on how to use your Inventor 2 3D printer.